Jeanette Kagame will be leading us in prayer in just a moment. Mrs. Kagame is, of course, the First Lady of Rwanda. And without reading her whole biography, I just want to tell you that she has dedicated her life as First Lady of Rwanda to caring for the least among us. She has led efforts to prevent the spread of AIDS. She has led efforts to educate people in Rwanda, care for the children, the victims of all the horrible things that have happened in her country. But she has really dedicated her life as the First Lady of Rwanda to caring for the least among the people of Rwanda. So please give Jeanette Kagame, the First Lady of Rwanda, a warm international welcome.
Thank you. Heavenly Father, we come before you with humble hearts and open minds, seeking your guidance and grace in this time of need. We ask for your powerful presence to shine brightly upon us, illuminating the path of consciousness, integrity, and spirituality. You have carried us through storms, strengthened us in weakness, and lifted us in moments of despair. Today, we stand in awe of your love, which never fades and never abandons us. May it guide us to peace. As your word says, blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God. Father, for we know that true peace begins in our hearts. May our actions be guided by the love and compassion, our words be filled with kindness and understanding. May we be vessels of your light and hope. Give humanity a chance to rise above chaos and division, to come together in unity and peace. Help us to honor and respect diversity of all beings, to celebrate the interconnectedness of all life. Grant us the wisdom to see beyond the surface and to connect with our shared humanity. May we never forget the sacred duty you have placed upon us to love one another as you have loved us, to live in alignment with our highest values and beliefs. We lift up this gathering before you, Lord. You have entrusted in us the stewardship of your people. Help us protect